In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively compose an email using Microsoft Outlook. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional communication. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If this is your first time using the program, you'll be welcomed by a neat and organized interface that might resemble a digital version of a traditional desk. Here, you'll find all your emails nicely categorized for easy access. On the top menu bar, you'll see several options such as File, Home, Send, Receive, and more. We're going to focus on the File menu. Once you click on File, look for the option that says New Email. Selecting this will open a new window where you can compose your message. This new window is quite intuitive, giving you fields to fill out for the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and the content of your message. Now here's a handy tip to make your email more interactive and dynamic, using the @ symbol. In the body of your email, type the @ symbol followed immediately by the name of the person you wish to mention. This feature is particularly useful if you have multiple participants involved or when you want to draw someone's attention specifically in a group email. Typing this will bring up suggestions, so you can easily select the person from your contact list, which saves time and avoids any misspelling errors. It's also worth mentioning that mentioning someone using the @ symbol often sends a notification to that specific contact. This can be incredibly helpful to ensure that important messages don't get missed, especially in a long email thread. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your email. Check the spelling and grammar to ensure clarity and professionalism. Outlook offers a built-in spell checker, so keeping an eye out for those helpful underlines can safeguard against embarrassing typos. Once you're satisfied with your email, simply click the Send button, usually located at the top of your Compose window. Instantly, your email will be on its way to the intended recipients. You should see it move to your Sent Items folder, so you can easily refer back to it if necessary. Those are the basics of sending an email using Microsoft Outlook. Mastering this simple process can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure effective communication. Whether you're emailing a colleague, a friend, or a family member, these steps will help keep your messages organized and professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more features within Outlook to streamline your email experience even further. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.